Hi guys, this pasta salad is delicious. Yes, it's a spam salad, okay? Simple ingredients, guys. We got some mayo, we have some black pepper, salt, get a little garlic powder, onion powder, bell peppers, onions, and a little bit of oil. This is going to be so good. We're gonna start by boiling the water. I'm gonna add a little bit of oil to the water. I don't want my pasta to stick. And then, of course, here's the key. Make sure you are generous with the salt, so season to taste. Need to make sure it's done properly while it's boiling, because it's kind of hard to fix a pasta once it's cooked. Gonna let this boil and add the pasta. I am going to boil this for a good 10 minutes or so. Look how beautiful, guys, this look. I have all my ingredients cut into tiny little pieces. I think I could have done better, but you know, I was running as usual, but this is what we're looking at. We got the pasta ready. Beautiful dish to display this. The key with this pasta is to make sure you leave it in the refrigerator for a good 30 to 35 minutes before serving. When I tell you guys it's delicious, it's so good. I'm gonna go ahead and add everything inside this bowl. So you can see I got the spam, the bell peppers, onion, salt, garlic powder, the onion powder, black pepper. I'm gonna mix this together and let me show you guys how pretty this looks. It's not just pretty, it's delicious. So I plated here my beautiful dish. When I tell you guys this is delicious, I had a little dry parsley, which I added to give it a nice little look. So if you have fresh parsley, you can go ahead and do that as well. Look how beautiful this looks, guys. I hope you enjoy this. And cheers.